What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Hot Action Fishing and Fab. My name's Curtis and this is my channel. Today I'm going to be installing these Moonlighter standard mount push-pull brackets on my little Johnson skiff here. I built this boat, I put a trolling motor on the front of it, pretty much just for, well, I don't know, I guess resale value or whatever. I'm not a big trolling motor person. I don't really care to run the trolling motor. It is nice when you go fish bridges and stuff, you can run the trolling motor, but for the most part I just like to pull people around and sight fish. That's, I don't know, I'm not very good at it, but that's what I like to do. So yeah, so I'm getting ready to install these push-pull brackets so I can start pulling again. And yeah, well, I'm gonna break down, I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'm gonna show you kind of what I need to do to install these brackets. Alright, well, what I got going on here is the rolled gunnel of the Johnson skiff. The way I built the boat, I bonded the deck just straight down to the rolled gunnel of the Johnson. And with that, you can kind of see that there's a step there like that. So this front push-pull bracket and the back two push-pull brackets are obviously, from what you can see, are not in line. So what I'm going to have to do with these back ones here, in order to make this thing fit proper, I'm going to build a little 3/4 inch spacer and to get that thing up there. So you guys are going to watch me make that spacer here in a second. Alright, there we go. There's the little spacer blocks that I'm using, that I made for the for the push-pull, and I'm just going to clamp them together using a pair of vice grips, and I'm going to drill a pilot hole through the spacer so I can bolt this thing down. Alright, I'm going to hand mount this one. This is kind of the most critical one because this is the one that's going to tension the rest of the other ones so the push-pull doesn't flop off. And yeah, so what I did is I just put my pole on, on like it's supposed to. I tensioned it up and then I just put a mark right there. You can see I marked it out. Marked it, so I'm going to pre-drill my holes and get this thing bolted down, and then she'll be done then. And there we have it. And that was a pretty simple install for the most part, besides me having to make those little spacer blocks. But other than that, I recommend getting those push-pull holders. They're pretty sweet. They're the snagless ones are a little better, but those are $100. These ones are 35 bucks. Yeah, I'm happy with them. I think they look really good on the boat. I'm glad to have my push-pull again, because like I said, I think I said in the beginning of this video, I'd much rather be pulling around than running the trolling motor any day of the week. Even if I'm not fishing. But oh yeah, real quick, threw my poles in here, and you guys kind of see what I did with my fishing rods, my fishing rod holders. You can see how they work like that. What I ended up doing is just, you know, little bungee cord. This wraps around the rod, and then just a little screw down below to capture the bungee cord. But there it is. Thank y'all again. Hope you enjoyed this quick, simple little video. Y'all have a wonderful week.